everyone, this is Beth from Art by Bedell. I'm here today to show you some echo print journals that I have made. There's several of them. They should be going on my webpage. Actually, they should be there by the time you see this video, if everything goes right. These journals are a one signature journal. They have approximately 50 pages each. They do vary. They all resemble each other quite a bit, but they're not exactly alike. The echo printing process I used was the boiling the paper with the different leaves and things that I had scavengered around up on Welch Mountain one day. Max and I went up. And anyhow, there's some ephemera, some embellishments in here, but it's not overloaded with them. There's lots of room, and to expand, there's lots of room to add your own artful flair to these. Or you could just use them just as they are. Let's see, what else? There's different papers in here. The papers that haven't been echo printed are tea dyed, I believe, or coffee. Maybe I can't remember which one I did. And there's some ledger papers in here and some tags. And anyhow, let's take a look through and see what you think. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, here's all the journals. There's 10 of them. You can see they resemble each other quite a bit. The colors on them are a little bit different. The designs from the echo printing, you never know what you're going to get. And some of the letters of where we put journal on them are different from others, but they do resemble each other quite a bit. So we're not going to flip through every one of them because they are so much alike. I'll show you two of them. You'll get the idea of what they look like on the inside. They are one signature and they're hand sewn. You open it up and there's the bird on the front. There's a bird on the front of every one of them, a different bird, but it's a book from a estate sale that I found. That's a good place to go to get ephemera for their junk journals. The lines on these pages have been hand stamped in India ink with a stamp that I have. Some of the papers and different things are from a paper book of Tim Holtz that I have. There's some old ledger paper on that page. There's some inspirational stamping done on some of the pages with some little one-line quotes. The bingo card is an original bingo card. Again, I got that at an estate sale. You got a whole stack of those. They're pretty cool. Little tag there. This little book has 8 pages in it, and the binding on this is stapled. It's not a real big journal, but it would be great for an event or a holiday, or if you just want to use it for a month. Yeah, it's 50 pages. It's quite a bit of room for journaling in. Another little bird. Some paper that kids use to learn how to write their alphabet. And I like the belly band here. I'll show you one more, and you'll see how they're quite alike. Keeping with the nature theme throughout all of them. Now this envelope that was created here was created with some jelly prints that I did. Oh, one day I spent like whole day making jelly prints. That was fun. Lots of tags here for journaling on. As you can see, there's room to add a lot more if you want to bulk these up and add in all your different items that you might have, or you just leave it as it is. And another one of those little books. So I think they're quite nice little journals. They would be nice for our Bible study too. You think of all kinds of reasons for using these. And there you go. All right, so there you have it. Echo printed journals from foliage that I have collected up on Welch Mountain, which is in Tioga County, PA in Pennsylvania. We took a beautiful day, went up and gathered some leaves and some weeds, pretty much some weeds, and then went home and did some boiling. I really like them. These are one signature journal. I do plan on making a three signature journal for those of us that need more room. One signature may not quite last us a year, but maybe we don't care. So anyhow, if you're interested in purchasing, go to my website and check us out. And it's artbybedell.com. And we shall see you again soon. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.